Okay, let me start off this video by saying I'm sorry. I made a mistake in informing you guys to ship your DVDs/games using these free DVD boxes that you could get from the USPS website. And it turns out you can't use these particular boxes for first class mail. I already mailed out one using this box, so I messaged the buyer, told him like, hey, if you have any issues picking it up, just let me know, because apparently they could charge the buyer an extra fee just to bump it up to priority mail instead of just first class shipping, which is what they originally paid for me anyways. So just be mindful of that. What I said in my last video about these free priority boxes, just be careful and make sure that your buyer is actually paying for priority mail before you send it out in these types of boxes. For now, I'll be more mindful, and I actually ordered some poly mailers, so let me show you what those look like. So I just ordered about 200 of these poly mailers for about $15, so I'll leave a link to that in the description below as an affiliate link if you would like to purchase some for your mailing. I'll also add the dimensions in the description as well. So we're going to take the game that I originally sold. I think this is for the Need for Speed game that I sold for, I think, $2.99. If not, the actual price would be on the screen. I actually also sold another game, so I'll be packaging that in these poly mailers and not in these DVD cases. So we're gonna take this out, package them in these, and we'll ship them that way. Just gonna add this into the poly mailer. I'm gonna add a grocery bag to both sides to add some fluff. And then we're going to take that off, wrap it around. Now I'm going to do the same to the second game. All right, and just like that, we have both of our packages packed up. It's actually pretty cushiony. The grocery bags are working a lot better than I thought they would. Both sides. I think this is looking pretty good. Again, with both games like this. And it's also very lightweight, just adding the grocery bags and these poly mailers. So again, a link to these bags will be in the description, so feel free to purchase some for yourselves. I bought 200 for about $15, so time to print the shipping label and get these out of here. And this is what the final product looks like. I would say this looks pretty professional. It seems like something that you might receive from Amazon or from somebody that actually knows what they're doing. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video on how to ship video games or movies. And if you guys would like to keep up to date with my eBay business, feel free to check out the link below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.